Okay, we're starting off our series by checking out what the backyard looks like, and we'll see at the end what it looks like. So right now, this is what I have to put up with. After it rains, the place is flooded for, I don't know, like 2 or 3 days. It just finished raining like a couple hours ago, and there's still up water everywhere. And there's a mess back there. I just cleaned up some of the garden so I can park the car. So I'm gonna start by doing a little cleanup and then start building the patio as cheap as possible. I'm not a carpenter, so keep your comments. So I'm just gonna do temporary patio, last maybe 3 or 4 years, and then I can just use patio stones after that. Then I gotta build a table. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we can start off by cleaning up the patio, where the patio is gonna go, and make some room for the car and clean out the garden there so we can park the car. Oh man, I make this look easy, don't I? That's a lot of work in this heat. So yeah, as soon as I make some room up there, I can just park the car up there. So it'll give me some room. We have like 3 cars, actually 4, but one is parked at my buddy's. So if we can just get one of the cars out of the way, then I can have a little bit of the backyard. So I can build a patio and you know, have some place to sit down and have a coffee in the morning. So far so good. Get the snow blowers and stuff out of the way. And then I have to work on that corner after. Fix it up so I can put all my stuff away and make a roof for the winter. But we'll see how we can transform this backyard and make it look livable and nice. Nice rolling, compacting. Yep. Should have brought the truck in instead, but that's good enough for now. Yeah, there's a little bit of grass there. Then start on the patio. So just get some 4x8s. No, 2x4s, sorry. Get some 2x4s and pressure treat it. And then, so like 2x4x8. And then in between, every 2 feet, you stick in 47-inch 2x4s to make a 4x8 square, so you can put a sheet on it for the floor. I wish I had a table now, so I could put all that stuff up there and play with it. It's like too much. Build it. Yeah, we'll get there. Little by little. Well, as long as I get 2 of these done for now, for the day, it should be good enough. And then it's supposed to rain a little later and the next day too, so I'll get back to it in a couple of days and start putting it down. Leveling it. Do something about the grass. Have my pig roaster in the back there. would be nice to have on your back porch. Barbecue, big roast, do whatever you want. So I did a rough one already in the back there. And I put that there, I'll make 2 of them. Then I'm thinking one more, so that'll make it 12 by 8. No, probably end up being 12 by 12. Just making it up as I go, so 12 by 12 should be good enough to put a nice big table on there and some chairs. And you can enjoy the backyard. That's it for now. For the first video. Been out here for 8 hours, so catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.